Sunflowers are out in full bloom. Quite a bit of snow on King Mountain on this beautiful sunny day. There was snow on Pinnacle Mountain yesterday, but it's kind of melting off. We'll go out here and see what Jill's doing. I think she's cutting cottonwood. We actually sold out of cottonwood this week. We sold 15 full cord of dry cottonwood. So we are totally out, and we're processing cottonwood right now. Jill's already done 1.5 cords this morning. Goes pretty quick. We can do cottonwood's pretty soft. We can do 2 cords an hour with a processor. So I got some cottonwood we hauled in last year. As you can see, the bark is coming off. There's Miss Jill. The other whitewood. Lots of chips, bark coming off. Pretty hard to keep it clean, but we dump it on the pallets over there, and then by the time it's loaded, it's pretty clean firewood. So I'll give you a view of the pile here. It's been going down, and Jill and I have been busy stacking. Mostly Jill. I've been hauling in some wood, doing some work on the shop. So she has been stacking wood, and we've been selling it too. So this is the wood that we got off from Buzz last week. So that load, as I told you before, we're going to get it cut up and give you some measurements. That was just 8 full cord on that load, and that was a little smaller than normal. If he rounds it right up, we can get 10 cord on a semi. So I'll take you around here again and show you a dry kindling wood for our new viewers. These are all little chips and slivers off the processor that fall down through the chute when we're cleaning it and splitting it. So we save that and sell it, of course. We sell everything, even the bark, sawdust. Jill's little operation here for her bundle wood. And this weekend, I have a big excavator coming, and we're going to do some major work. So I'm going to show you the hillside of before picture this week, and I'm actually going to go up and strip some of that off for gravel. So you'll get some shots of that hopefully next week if I can get Jill to come up and film me. And we have not had the best of luck moose hunting. I have not seen a moose. Jill has saw 6 total. 5 cows and a bull, a little small bull she couldn't get a shot at, not a clean shot anyway. So tonight is our last night of moose hunting. We hope to get one. Last day of the season. And take you around here. Of course, there's King Mountain, but off to the left a little bit, that mountain in the background, that's got quite a bit of snow on it, so it's coming quick. I get this truck filled up with cottonwood if I can keep Jill working, keep her in coffee, she's good to go. she started this at, I think it was 11 o'clock our time here. I'll see how long it takes her to come up a load. Of course, we have our cart full of cookies over here. Yeah, it's starting to get cleaned up in front of the sawmill. Shot of Jill's she shop in the background there. Slowly been gaining on that. I better get some logs up there for her. can see, a load goes pretty quick. It's awful messy right now with the bark coming off. Let me take you over here and we'll get you set up so you can watch Jill do her magic. See if I can get you out of the sun here. So as you can see, it goes pretty quick. I just come in and clean up the chute once in a while for Jill. Kind of makes things go a little smoother. This is Maple. Hi, Maple. So today we're loading up cottonwood, as you can see. So this is our friend Frank. He's bought some cottonwood, says he loves it.
Yeah, it burns great. I burn it starting about now till December or so, and then when it gets super cold, we might mix it with some spruce or birch. But yeah, it's dry. Did a good job splitting it, and I got good help here loading it.
Well, I'm working at it. I'm still learning how to stack wood, and Frank is a good teacher.
Except she's outworking me.
So we're loading it up. We did get our Kubota parts today. I just got back from Anchorage. 2 hydraulic filters, transmission hydraulic filter spin-ons, $152. So we are closing up our Woodyard and starting in a filter production business. And that way we can become millionaires quicker.
Yeah.
So yesterday our audio was bad. So we had to redo some refilming, and it's going to be a little shorter film than we thought. It took Joe 32 minutes to load the second load of cottonwood, so that was a little over a cord and a half the second trip, so about an hour and 15 minutes to do over three full cord, so it cuts fast.
It does.
And
Slimy.
our excavator's coming early today, so we're busy as always. We keep the sawdust flying here in the Alaska Woodyard.
And thanks for coming along.